Hi, it's Brian Sachs, and just wanted to do a quick walkthrough with you. I use GoToMeeting. You can use Zoom. There are lots of other software out there, but just wanted to share with you what I use. I use GoToMeeting. I would come in, I would sign in. They do have a lot of different pricing schematics, and I do believe they have a 30-day free trial as well you can check on. I would come in here and I am going to schedule an event. It's going to be called Home Buyer Workshop Sample, and it's going to be live. I'm doing it once on the 26th of January. I'm going to do it now while you're watching. So we're going to say it's at 12, and it's going to be a standard event, not charging for it. And now we're going to schedule. So I'm scheduling it. What you would do in here is put your description, and this is a home buyer workshop, Brian Sachs, and if you had an agent, you would put it here, and then you're going to put the bullet points. You can just copy the bullet points right off of the slides. You know, how to have others pay your mortgage payment, how to get grant money, what to do if you have credit challenges. Remember, curiosity is what brings people here and keeps them here. What do, let's see, let's write how to buy a home under market value. This would be for a 203K, and make renovations all in one loan. So, you know, things that are going to be intriguing. Panelists, you're going to add your panelist if you're doing it with a realtor and send them a update. We're not doing any payments. It's free. We always want to make sure you're recording the event. Down here, you're going to potentially upload an image. I usually do the first slide. I'll show you. I come in here, and if I'm doing this with a realtor, I usually put the first slide up. I definitely put my card up. It's really this simple. For logo, I'm going to come into my pictures. Again, I've taken a picture of the first slide. Trying to see if I have one here. Here's one. This is myself and Danny. So we have that. And then what we're doing is share event. This will be the link that you give people to attend the event. I'm going to come up here and save everything. And as people register, it'll show you right here people registering. So there you have it. It really is that simple. If I want to see what it looks like, I go right here. And this is what the registration page is going to look like. See? All your bullets. I would suggest not getting their phone number. The less information you get from people, the more likely they are to respond. So now we literally in a couple minutes, we have the event set up. I'm now going to go back to this. I'm going to start the event so I can show you what this looks like. Okay. I want to explain the dashboard to you. Welcome. Speak to any other one for panelists on So if I'm using a slide deck, I usually put that on a separate screen. You want to make sure that you test your audio, make sure it's working. You can see people's attentiveness. You can do polls. This is where people are going to ask questions and you're going to answer. You can have handouts right here. You could be on the webcam also. So you can see what this looks like. And there I am. I'm on the webcam. I'm going to turn the webcam off. And then here, you want to see how many people are on. These things break apart, so you can move it over here. I like to see how many people came versus how many people registered, and I want to see how long they stayed. So now I'm going to start the broadcast. Of course, I'd be sharing slides. And hi, this is Brian Sachs, and thank you so much for attending our home buyer workshop sample. I want you to hear the enthusiasm in the voice, because if you get on, you go, good morning, hello, hi, don't do that. Get on here with lots of energy, lots of enthusiasm. Sometimes it pays to even stand up and walk around if you have to. So now I'm going to end this and I'm going to show you how we upload it into a system called EverWebinar. Okay? And so see what this has done? It has recorded it, and here it is. So I now convert the recording. See, it's already checked. I hit convert recording. It's going to convert this recording actually pretty quickly because there wasn't much to it. And it takes a little bit longer, obviously, if you're doing a half an hour or hour session. And then I go, here it is. And I'm going to put it in my documents. I'm going to put it in a folder called sample. Where'd the folder go? Sample webinar test. Let me just find it. So sometimes you have to look through your various videos. I'm going to pause the recording for a second, and then we will. So now we're at a EverWebinar. This is, you go to app.webinarjam. I am logging in. You can also, by the way, use Webinar Jam to host your live events. I sometimes find it a little wonky, so I prefer Zoom or GoToMeeting, but you can get Webinar Jam. It does work. I use EverWebinar, and what I'm going to do here is you can see all of the various webinars. There's actually much more than this. But you're going to add a webinar, and then it literally is going to walk you through the steps, okay? You're going to upload the recording. You're going to schedule it. Generally, when you do schedules, I think you should do Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday evenings at 7, and you should also probably do Saturdays at 9 or 10, and then of course you want to allow people to do a replay. It will build the registration pages, it'll build the thank you pages, and it literally walks you through step by step by step. You really can't mess it up. It's impossible. The other thing I'll tell you is you can have a button pop up at the end with a Calendly link for them to set an appointment with you right then and there. And You can choose how many people it's showing are on the event. You can have people coming and going so it feels real. You could have them ask questions. And when they ask questions, those questions can go right to the real estate agent's email. So, she needs to know, he or she needs to know Wednesdays or Thursday nights that they need to, and Saturday mornings, if they're getting emails, they need to be on the lookout for that. If you do it as a webinar jam, the original live event, of course, you can just choose it from there and import it right from there. It'll tell you the analytics. This is what I do every Monday. I'll go to Mr. Lister. I'll go to analytics. I'll pick from the webinars. Let's see, all sessions. And let's say the last 7 days. And you can see he had 2 visitors. No one signed up. Registrants. It'll actually tell you who registered. It'll give you their email address. So let's take a look at Jackie. She's pretty active. Let's say all sessions, and let's say I don't know, last week. So you see she had 12 visitors. She had 3 of them sign up. We had 1 watch the replay. We had 1 attended as if it's live. And it's going to give me the names of those people that actually signed up. So it's very, very cool. And this works. So I hope you'll use these 2 tools. I just wanted to give you a quick run through. Remember, you have the option of scheduling a one-on-one consultation with me as well if you get stuck. So don't hesitate. And I hope that this video was helpful.